guys, it's Dr. Tyler here with Coreposture Chiropractic, and I'm actually here with one of our patients, Rachel, who is a dancer, and she's been abusing her body a bunch. She's been actually away for the last 3 weeks, and so she's back in here to get adjusted. But first, before we adjust her, I want to ask you, what have you noticed since you've been starting corrective care with us, and both also in San Francisco as well?
Yeah, I feel like I've been training in dance my whole life, and I feel like the specific ballet training that I've received has positioned my spine to be abnormally straight, which puts a lot of pressure on my lower back. And since coming in and getting adjustments and traction for it, I come in 3 days a week. My body is my career, so means a lot to me, and
you gotta take care of it, right?
Yeah,
Because
gotta
you want
take care of it.
your
Yeah.
career to keep going.
Definitely. So my longevity has definitely improved, and I'm very excited.
And you also said you had headaches too, right?
Oh yeah, I no longer, knock on wood, have gotten headaches in months and months. I can't even remember. So
That's
I'm
awesome.
very grateful.
Well, thanks.
Yeah. Woo.
Let's keep going. All right, deep breath in. Nice. Deep breath in. Let it release. There we go. Moved. A little bit more.
Wow.
A little bit more here. Keep it going. There we go. Wow, those were huge.
Yeah.